Hello Auto Hub family. This is our super soft 800 GSM 60 cm 40 cm microfiber cloth. Auto Hub microfiber cloth is made from 80% polyester and 20% polyamide, which helps in quicking drying and absorbing water effortlessly. Our unique microfiber cloth for cars is best in scratchless car washing, detailing and drying, and preferred by professionals across the globe. This car towel can also be used in vehicle interiors and exteriors, and perfect microfiber cloth for bike and car. Our car wash cloth perfect for wax removal, buffing, removing dirt, polishing chrome and wiping windows. Our towel for car can withstand hundreds of car and bike washing and getting softer each time. It is a durable and long-lasting microfiber cleaning cloth.